Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. We are going to start with chapter number 1 of English book 3. So you should have in your hands the textbook of Cambridge Scholar series of English 3. Along with that, you should have the English workbook class 3 and the summer pack of class 3. We have already uploaded the resource packs for parents and teachers, so which includes a complete description of how to teach our textbooks. Welcome students to the lecture 3 of chapter 1. Our today's lecture is on pronunciation. That is of what? Of short and long vowels. So let's start the lecture. Short and long vowels. Vowels can be used in words having two sounds. So first of all, do you have in your mind what are vowels? Shabash. Yes, the words that are A, E, I, O, U. So, when these vowels can be used in words having two sounds. So, one is short and the other is long. So, they are termed as short vowels and long vowels. They do not sound the same. So whenever we have a vowel in a word, they sounds like two sounds. In some words, the vowels sound like a shorter one, and in others, the vowels sound like a long vowel. So we are going to discuss it in a detail. Long vowel sound gives the actual sound of the letter. Kaise? For example, A sounds like the letter A and E sounds like the letter E. Whenever A comes in any of the word, so it sounds like the letter A and not A. So they are termed as long vowel. And whenever vowel sounds a shorter sound of the letter and not the actual sound, they are called as short vowels. For example, if I am going to discuss A, for example, if I am going to discuss A in apple, it sounds like eh. It sounds like eh. If E I am going to discuss in egg, it sounds like egg, eh. If I, so in insect, I sounds insect, insect. So here it sounds like what? A shorter sound that is why it is termed as short vowels, while in words, whenever we have the actual sound of a vowel, that are called as long vowel. Here is a video. You can watch it.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to practice short vowel sounds. The first vowel sound is the short A. Now repeat after me. A, a, and as after and as after, after. The next vowel sound is the short E. Repeat after me. Eh, eh, eh. Pen, pen, hen, hen. Lend, lend. Pen, pen. Hen, hen. Lend, lend. The next vowel sound is the short I. Repeat after me. I, I, I. In, it, it. Sit, sit. In, it, it. Sit, sit. The next vowel sound is the short O. Repeat after me. Ah, ah. Top, top. Hop, hop. Stop, stop. Top, top. Stop, stop. The next vowel sound is the short U. Repeat after me. Under, under. Cup, cup. Umbrella, umbrella. Under, under. Cup, cup. Umbrella, umbrella.
So welcome back from the video. You have heard the sounds, how these vowels can be pronounced. Yes. So here are some of the examples that I'm going to discuss with you people. The first one is the letter A. Now, what is this? Apple. What? Apple. What is this? Shabash. This is an apple. So the letter A is, so the letter A and the word apple. So this is a short vowel because A sounds shorter than a detailed A. The next example is 8. Here A sounds longer, and that is why they are called as long vowels. Let's again repeat. A, apple, ate. So you have heard that the pronunciation of ate has more space. That is why ate is termed as long vowel. The second one, E. What is the letter? That is E. The short vowel is elephant. Elephant. And the long vowel is eagle. Eagle. Now repeat with me. E, elephant, eagle, elephant, eagle. You are listening? In elephant, the sound of the E is very shorter, and in eagle, it is longer. So that is why elephant is called as short vowel and eagle is called as long vowel. The next example, I. The word is insect. Insect. And the second one is island. Island. Now you are listening? The I is straight away pronounced as it is in island. I for island. And in insect, it is not termed as the original word I. So that is why insect is a short vowel and island is a long vowel. The next example. O. Ostrich. Oatmeal. Now in ostrich, the O is not termed as O. That is ostrich. And in oatmeal, O is termed as its original sound. So that is why oatmeal is considered as a long vowel. The next one, U. The next one is U. So now listen the sound of U carefully. Here it sounds like umbrella. Umbrella. And here it is rude. Rude. In rude, the U is termed as a long vowel, and in umbrella, it is of shorter sound. That is why the sound have differentiated the both words in terms of short vowels and long vowels. So here you have to look it in your book. Read the given words aloud and recognize the difference between long and short vowel sound. This is a very good example. The short vowel is cat, bat, sick, hope, duck. In all of the 5 words, you are listening that what? The vowel that is in between them sounds like what? A shorter sound. That is not cat. That is cat. That is bat. That is sick. That is hope. That is duck. And now moving towards the longer vowels. So the first word is sheep. What? Sheep. The second one is beat. Beat. The third one is deep. The fourth one is shoe. The fifth one is duke. So here in all of the 5 longer vowels, the sound is longer and it depicts as it is in original form of the letter. And that is why they are longer vowels. Now, students, you have to pick up your homework. Read the following sentences and identify if the underlined word has a long or a short vowel sound. So number 1, that is, that room is very big. Now big is what? shorter or longer? You have to answer the question. The boy is playing with a bat. A good boy reads his book. She is sitting on a seat. He is a cute baby. This is very answer, and you can straight away pick up the right one from the sentences. The next homework is from Summer Pack. So you have to choose the correct option and write few lines about the option. Which of the following has long vowel sound? Sleep, slip, dip. Again, deep, feel, slip. Here you have to choose the shorter vowel sound. The next one is you have to also write down how you have selected your option. The next one is find the word with long vowel sound. Book, food, good. And after that, you have a very beautiful activity here. So you have to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 short vowel sounds and 8 long vowel sounds. This was all about today's lecture. Thank you so much. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.